it's my strategy. Save money instead of spend it.
That's true. We
Yeah.
all need to ensure at least some amount needs to go to savings every month.
Hmm.
How was the week?
Yeah, because okay, I spent with my time with my siblings and family, and I was busy at my work, so I must say it was busy, busy week.
So you had a very busy week. And what's your daily routine normally?
I woke up around 7. Sometime it depends. If I have a lot of work, so I wake up around 4 or 5, and I start my routine with meditation and sometime morning walk. And I just spend time in nature. I like morning terrace walk.
Very nice. I see that you are taking care of your health a lot, which is very nice. That's how it should be.
Yeah. And because of season is getting changed and it's about to winter, so it's difficult, like sometime we also get cough because weather changes, and it gives you some scars here in the context of fever or cough.
That's true. Of course, it does.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, and then how does your day goes after that? What do you do in the evening? What are your
Hmm.
nights? How are your nights and all?
And I sometimes I cook breakfast for everybody because on daily basis I do not get a time. And like my sister and my mom cook some food for us, and we enjoy that the breakfast together. And after that, I get busy to my work. Whole day I am busy only, and because of that, I do not have enough time. Even I have some hobbies like sketching and all, but I will try to get back to my routine. It is difficult, but and managing time, I'm very bad in managing at my time because we only have 24 hours. And if you give me time machine or some magic, so I will add some hours in it. I want more than 24 hours.
I mean, we all wish for that.
Yes.
24 hours are not at all enough for any one of us. It's never
Yeah.
sufficient. We always fall short of 24 hours. I mean, it's the same with me. I too have a very busy routine, and even I wish that I had a few hours more added to my routine. All right.
Yeah.
That's great. So that's how
Yeah.
it should be. I think you all should be very busy and occupied. That is how you keep your mental state stressless. Yeah.
Sometimes it's come on, we are not, we are human, and everyone just spend to be interested. Sometimes I feel like trace, so I spend my time just going out means like I just visit terrace, and I just spend my time with my niece nephew, but they are not here now because they are taking their education. They they are first and second standard, like that. They are kids, they are very small, they're really young. Yeah,
All
so
right.
I do enjoy time with them. So that is how I try to do not get stressed much. Yeah. More
Okay.
you have work, more you have stress, because you always have some of like achievements. Like you always want to do better than yesterday. I always want to focus. I always focus how I will be get better than yesterday. And it is
That's
also task. You must complete this task. And if you are not doing well, and you are not performing well than yesterday, so it gives you a disappointment, and it makes you disappointment, and it's make you sad. So no one wants that. For that we are working. Yeah.
correct. Very nice. Okay.
Yes.
So Dipali says stress. It's not stress, it's stress. Stress.
Stress.
Stress, yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And at the end, before we wind up, I'll give you a summarized feedback, not right now.
Hmm.
Let's move on to the further question. I do not have a topic of the day for you.
Okay, I
So
have
I'll be
topic, so can we discuss on that? I have interesting topic.
very nice. Let's go on with it then.
Yeah, okay. I will ask you some questions. So yeah. So can I?
You will ask me
I will
questions.
also give the answer. Yeah,
You keep on
I
moving.
need
I
that
mean,
much
discussing. We don't have
discussion.
too much of time for me to answer the questions.
Totally fine, dear. It is like fun. Okay. How, like, we will talk about money. So can we?
Yeah, definitely. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, how well do you manage your money?
I very well manage my money. I
Yeah.
have a lot of mutual funds. I have a portfolio that I have invested in, and
Oh,
I make sure that I put my money in savings.
yeah. That's nice.
All right. Now tell me about yourself. How do you manage your finances?
Yeah. I do not have much saving nowadays. I'm just trying to build my saving habits. So yes, I must say, no, I'm saving. I'm trying to save and not spending a lot of money, and that is how it's my strategy. Save money instead of spend
That's
it.
true. All
Yeah.
need to ensure at least some amount needs to go to savings every month.
Yes,
All
it
right.
is. I agree with it. Yes.
Correct. So moving on to the next, what do you like the most and why?
Hmm. Why do some people have money problem? It is second one.
I want you to answer the question.
Okay. Second, please repeat the same.
Okay. So I said,
Yeah.
what do you like the most and why? What do you like to eat the most? How do you spend your weekends and all?
Mm, I like spend time in nature. I don't know why, but I'm so crazy. But I do not getting time to go out. So I wish I get chance to go out. So I will enjoy my time because everyone want time to enjoy because we work. Why we work? Because we want some free time, and we can't work 24 hours. Like, okay, yes, we work 24 hours if we get chance, and we are doing that. But again, if you want to boost your willing power, for that you need vacations. That's what I believe. So yeah, doesn't mean that you need to go USA and something like that. No, just like small vacations like that.
Yes, we all need some leisure time for ourselves, which is very, very
Yeah.
important.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Here, I am switching on my fan. Turning on. Switch on the fan. Okay. I get you. Okay.
Okay. Dipali, what are your future plans?
Future plans. I'm very bad in planning. I told you.
What are your ambitions?
if
What are
I
you passionate
if you
about?
ask me, yeah, if you ask me that this question, so I'm wrong person because I'm very bad in planning. I'm very bad at planning. Even if I want to plan something, it things not goes according to my plans. I always change plan according to situation. Sometimes you plan something, and something happened in between, and you need to change that. And because of that, it brings some of disappointment. And because of that, I'm not sure I'm very good in planning, and I do not like to plan. I just go with flow. So
Very
that's what I do. Yeah.
okay. That's absolutely okay. Yeah, that is your perception to move with the flow. All right. So I'll ask you: are you passionate about something? What sports do you like? Which games do you play? If you do any,
Hmm. I do not like any games, but I used to do play badminton. You know badminton?
yeah, I know I'm too fond of badminton.
Yeah, but I didn't got any opportunity to play in badminton because you didn't like people do not think that you will do best, and because of that you do not get that opportunity, and that's like disappointment for you. Like you want to do that, but you're not getting opportunity, and still it's just like a learning. We learn from each experiences, and we change like it is very important in our life. If you do not getting opportunity, and if you getting failure in your life, you will not get addicted with success. If every time you are getting success, so you will not digest failure in your life.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, going good.
Yes.
Okay. So here you said I did not got. It would be I did not get time.
Yeah, yeah, did not. Yeah,
I did not get. So since you're
get.
talking about
Yeah.
present tense, you would not
Hmm.
use got. You would use get.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like to read books? Do you read novels? What
I'm
kind?
very bad at reading. I do not like reading. But if you're giving me lots of books about horror, so I will read it because horror interests me a lot. Even I do not like reading, and that story make me read more and more. If you ask me a story about horror, I'm just crazy about that. Like, I also want to know from other side. Do you know any story? So, do you want to share any story like that?
Which now coming to something relating to this, have you watched any of the horror movies, and which one is your favorite?
Documentary, Bhangat Killa. I'm very fascinated by Bhangat Killa. I don't know why.
Okay.
I wish I could there once.
Uh-huh. And what's your favorite food?
Food, Maharashtrian food only.
Okay. In
Heat
Maharashtrian food.
floor bun, yeah. Do you know heat floor bun?
What is that?
Rodge, Maharashtrian rodge. Heat floor buns.
No, I don't know.
It is like crunchy bread, but we cook on wood fire, and it delicious. We eat it with Bengal sabji and also dal. You know dal?
Yes.
Yes. So
You eat it with the brinjal.
yes, ginger. So
Hmm.
are you from Maharashtra as well, or are you from other
Yes.
city?
I am also from Maharashtra, and I also like
Okay.
Maharashtrian food a lot. I'm fan of
So are you
Maharashtra.
from which part of Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
Okay, nice. I'm from Amravati. We are
Okay.
so far away still.
Right. It is great to see you, Dipali. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have a lot of friends? Are you very jovial in nature to make friends? Do you gel up easily with people?
So, what do you think that after interacting with me, how many friends
Yes,
I have?
absolutely. Definitely, you must be a person who would love
Have
people,
a lot of friends.
right?
It's opposite.
Okay. Do you cook food?
Not really, but sometime because I want to freshen up my mood and I just want to give my contribution. Like, see, I also know I just want to feel my family good because of that. I put and I always like appreciation. So just give me appreciation like that. I ask them that. So I feel good.
Right. Okay. Dipali, I would give you some words. I would want you to make statements out of those words.
Statements
Okay?
means
Yeah. Okay. So the first word would be ample. Ample is more than enough.
okay. Hmm. No one has ample time in their life because they want more time.
Classic example. Next would
Yeah.
be affection, a feeling of liking for a person or a place.
Nowadays, affection getting we can see mhm. Nowadays people affections are very rare. You cannot see affections in in people because um they are not very good in understanding the emotions of people.
Very nice. All right. So moving on to the next one, that is empathy. Empathy means the ability to share something, someone else's feelings or experience by imagining what it would be like to be in that person's situation.
You can't be sympathized to the person who actually need empathy. Instead of empathy, why people give the sympathy? It is big issue.
Right. Empathy. It's
Yes,
empathy. Say empathy.
empathy. Yeah,
Right.
empathy. Yes.
Not empathy. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. You're going really well. Okay. So I'll ask you a few more words. That is confrontation, a fight or argument.
Sometimes we always want to. What was that word?
Confrontation, to confront
Unprinting.
something.
I
Confrontation.
confrontation.
I'll put it in the chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the word.
Okay, confrontation. Okay, nice word. Thank you, dear. I come across with new vocabulary. Yeah. Confrontation. It's mean that conflict, isn't it?
No, confront means a fight or argument.
Yeah. Without any reason, sometimes we just want to won. Confrontation.
Okay, so you can use it this way.
Hmm.
I confronted the conversation.
Conflicts.
The conversation, I confronted the
Yeah,
conversation that I
conversation.
had with my sister,
Yes, we do
right?
that on regular
Yeah,
basis.
that is right, exactly. All right, so moving on to the next word, which is cruel. Cruel means extremely unkind and unpleasant.
These days, I'm just watching news about Israel, and so it gives me goosebumps, and it just like that word. Repeat, please, that word. I
Cruel.
forget it.
It's cruel.
Cruel. It's cruel. It's cruel. They forget humanity.
Right. Okay. Before we wind up, I mean, anytime the call would get disconnected since we are on a timer basis, I'll give you a summarized feedback. Dipali, you're doing really well. I see that you are very well spoken. Apart
Yeah.
from that, pronunciation has to be a little more improvised. You need to practice towards the words that you're speaking. It should be in a
Hmm.
proper English accent. There is little touch of your religious accent coming in,
Right.
which needs to be avoided. And in between, also some grammatical errors, like you said, it depends. It is not it depends. It
Depends.
depends. It depends.
Yes.
Then you
Yeah.
also said,
Actually, I'm. Mhm.
go ahead.
Please go. No, no, go ahead.
I was saying you also somewhere you said it makes you sad. So it makes you sad. You would not put S with it. So
Mhm.
avoid using the alphabet S at
Yeah.
certain places where it's not required. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
so if you need, you can start watching some English good movies and use the sentences for you to make your accent a little more better.